The Havit KB389L mechanical keyboard and mouse combo comes with RGB lighting effect, 14 backlit modes gaming keyboard and 7 color effect gaming mouse. Creates a cool and colorful game atmosphere to enhance excitement of the game. Best for the PC games. The classical blue switch design provides a clicky and tactile feedback, delivers accurate responsive key commands for typing and gaming. 100% anti-ghosting with full key rollover. Your perfect choice for different games. The removable wrist rest design provides a comfortable games and typing experience for a long time. The high-quality metal board design and suspension keycap design ensures longer product life. Both keyboard and mouse backlit is switchable among the presetting RGB light effects mode. 14 different lights both for keyboards and 7 modes for mouse. The colors, brightness and light changing speed are adjustable. The RGB lights are customizable. The Havit mechanical keyboard and mouse combo with all metal panel and floating keys design. The keys of keyboard trigger sensitively. Blue switches and all 104 keys have individual switches with full N-key rollover and anti-ghosting. The ergonomic keyboard with detachable wrist rest and skin-friendly surface mouse, plug and play, and you could download the driver for the mouse from the official website www.havit.hk/download/. Check the link in the description. Press function 1 to customize backlight for customize 1. Then press function escape to enter into recording mode. 2 LED will be flashed for hint. Now you can press the keys you want to light up, and each key press the color changes in loop with 7 colors. Then press function escape to save the recording. Other 4 groups works in same way. The RGB lighting with 14 light modes, 12 multimedia keys, function 1 to function 12. Removable palm rest, convenient and portable. User-friendly design, no driver, plug and play. All 105 buttons supported by anti-ghosting. Win key locked for the best gaming experience. Non-slip, ergonomic and splash-proof design. For the mouse features, adjustable dots per inch 800 to 4800 dots per inch, switch by dots per inch button. 7 RGB backlight, color, changeable breathing, solid modes versus single colored colorful lights. Check out the link in the description for more details. Like, share and comment below, and never miss any updates by hitting the subscribe button, and stay connected with Cyrus Syndicate UK.